Okay, today I'm going to do a flip cup pour, and I'm going to use the OGX coconut milk in my paints. I've got 4 different colors. I've already mixed my paints up. I use my paint recipe. I think it's on my Facebook page. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested in it to show what my recipe is, my little calculator to help you figure out how much paint to use by the size of your canvas. But I've got apple barrel Bahama blue. I just picked some random colors I thought would look cool together. Apple barrel purple iris. This is a Craft Smart peach color, and then it's my white base. I'm using the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and then I put quite a bit of this. I'm kind of experimenting with this coconut milk. I put 2 good squirts in each of my colors. So I've got my colors here already mixed up. So I'm going to do a flip cup pour, and I got a big cup here. Knock my cup off good. Okay. So I'm going to start out white, and I mixed it up pretty good. I didn't, I stirred the coconut milk in really well. And I think I'm going to do something a little different here. I'm going to put all of one color in instead of layering it. I'm going to go all of my white. And then I think I'm going to go purple next. So I'll go all of my purple. And then I'm going to go peach next. Oh, looks like I had a glob in there. Hopefully not. If it does, maybe I can dig it out as I lay it on the panel here. And then go with my iris blue next. That looks like a lot of paint for this panel, but I mixed it up by my recipe. It should come out right, but we'll see. Okay, so I've got all that mixed. I'll flip this over. Let that sit for a second. And we'll see what happens. Okay, it's already making good cells. And I'll find my torch. Okay, I'm back. Got my torch now. So I'm going to go ahead and torch this just a little bit. See if it brings anything else up. Okay. Now I'm going to start tilting this really slow. Some of my colors melded together, some of them stayed solid. The whites kind of ran away. I say that, I guess they're stuck in there in the middle of the purples. Okay, I've got my corners here that I just cut off of old cardboard boxes. So I'm going to run that. Run that down to that corner. Okay. Run it back a little bit. These are the 2 corners. one last corner here. The OGX makes pretty good cells, without a doubt. I mean, they came up immediately. I didn't really have to do much to get them to come up. So I'm going to do a little spreading out on this. I think that looks pretty cool. Check my edges. My edges look pretty good. So, alright, now I'm going to take it and run my torch back across it one more time, pop any bubbles, and then maybe bring some more cells up. And some of these cells will just pop up over just with a little bit of time. And just remember, as you go across with your torch, keep constant movement. Don't let it get in one place. You'll basically dry your paint in place there. Okay, I think that's going to be good. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for like maybe about 5 or 10 minutes and see if any more cells come up, and we'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, I've let this sit for about 10 minutes. I ran the torch back over it one more time. I still saw a few little bubbles in there, got those popped. It came out really cool. I mean, the pastel, it ended up being like a pastel type painting, and I guess that's kind of appropriate for Easter coming up, but you know, springtime pastels and all that. But it came out pretty cool. The cells are good. It's got a lot of cells, not really huge cells, but it made a lot of them, and there's a lot of mixture in the cells of the different colors, and most of my color is held together pretty good. The whites blended in a lot with the other colors, but there's a few places where the white stayed in, but all my other colors, my purple and the blue and the peach, you know, you can still pick all those colors individually out in there. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, and if you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you.